Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about BH Cosmetics. I'm going to be reviewing some of my all-time favorite eyeshadow palettes, and every single one of them is under $16. So if you're interested in seeing this video, stay tuned. So I have 4 total BH Cosmetics palettes to kind of show with you, and at the end, well, I'm gonna do my makeup. I have my foundation and my blush and my bronzer and all of that on, but I don't have my eyes done. So we're gonna do my eyes, and I already know what shades I'm gonna be using, but I wanted to show you guys some of the palettes that I own and why I keep buying more. So the first palette I bought from BH Cosmetics was their Desert Oasis palette. And I'm gonna open this up. It actually still looks brand new, but this is a fantastic palette. You can kind of see a lot of neutral shades in here, and it also comes with 6 highlights. I mean, it's just crazy. 5 highlights, I'm sorry, 5 highlights. But I use this like crazy because it's a neutrals palette, but it's got some fun colors in it too if you really want to dabble. Like this, this color Heat Haze. Oh, it is so pretty. And it's more like a coppery color. Can you see that? Oh goodness, it's so, so, so pretty. I'm gonna try to do a swatch for you guys. I'll insert a video so you can kind of see all of them. But this palette was just amazing, especially for the price. When I bought this palette, it was $16, but literally on their website right now, it's only $12. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different eyeshadow shades, and then 5 different highlight shades. I mean, it is a total steal for $12. You can't even go to CVS or Walmart and get like a Maybelline palette for the same amount of money. And the quality of these eyeshadows are just insane, insane. So I'm gonna do a swatch for you here real soon. But I wanted to talk about this one because it's on sale and I love it so, so much, and I would totally repurchase this. This is like gift for friends, gifts for Christmas. This is where it's at. The next 2 palettes I purchased together. They are called Love in London and Hangin' in Hawaii. Now, Hangin' in Hawaii is great because it's got a ton of neutrals. I broke one of the shades, so bear with me here, but it's just coming out all over the place. But you can kind of tell I love it a lot. It has a ton of neutrals. I love the color names. They're Pineapple, Sandy, Coconut, Paradise, Aloha, Hibiscus. This is a palette that I've recommended to a lot of my friends who aren't crazy into makeup like I am, but want something that they could do fun things with, but it stays in like the neutral range. This is the way to go. Right now on their website, the Hangin' in Hawaii palette is $16, and I'm pretty sure you can also purchase this at Ulta, the Hangin' in Hawaii palette. They may have the Desert and Oasis palette there as well, but you're not gonna get the same price on it. So it might be a little bit more money, but you could go to Ulta and pick it up right away. So I purchased Hangin' in Hawaii and Love in London together. And Love in London too is just a really fantastic palette. It's got so many awesome, awesome shades. I love, 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 love it. So in my last Ulta haul, I picked up a newer one that they just came out with called Beautiful in Barcelona. And this again was $16, so that's exactly what I paid for it, $16. And these shades are just gorgeous. I really, really love them. I'm like so in love with these purples up here. And those are the colors that I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna be using one in Love in London and then the Beautiful in Barcelona. But what I'm gonna do is I'll throw in some videos of all of the swatches so you can kind of see what they look like. And I'll get that over to you too. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with Beautiful in Barcelona. And actually, no, we're not. We're gonna start with Love in London. And I'm gonna just go into the color Scone, which is right there, Scone. And I'm just gonna kind of put that down in the crease. And this is super light. It's kind of like skin color. Next, I'm gonna go into Beautiful in Barcelona, and we're gonna hit the color, well, let me make sure I got the right, yeah, okay. We're gonna hit the color Stone. And we're gonna put that right into the crease and work that through. Just with the windshield wiper. You don't have to press hard. These shadows, they just show up. They show up, they don't tend to, you know, fall out on me. They just show up, they work so well together. I never have an issue with blending these. That's why I keep buying more of their palettes, because they're amazing. So we're just gonna keep building that into the crease. I'm so excited. I have a fun girls trip coming up at the end of next week. I'm going to Niagara Falls. I've never been, and it's gonna be a ball. I can't wait. Okay. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take, let me see if I've got all my brushes. Yeah, I do. Okay, I'm gonna take this shade Fiesta, right here. And I'm gonna pop this on the side here and work it into the crease a little bit to kind of just deepen it up a little bit. Sometimes you gotta go for a little bit more. It's always better to start off with a little bit and work your way up than it is to go the other way. Maybe a little bit more over here. And then what I want to do is I want to work that stone color a little bit more up. I have a little bit of a hood right here on this eye. So I'm gonna take a clean brush and I'm just gonna blend this out up here. And then what I'm gonna do on the bottom is I'm going to take the stone color that we've been working with in the crease. I'm gonna bring that on the lower lash line. And then for me, when it comes to shimmers, there's a lot of different ways that you can use your fingers, you can use a brush, you can, you know, wet it with some setting spray and then use a brush to kind of put shimmers on. I like to use my fingers. I just feel like the color gets dispersed better. It gets exactly where I want it to be. So we're gonna take this color Enchanting, and I'm going to put this on the lid to the middle, like from the beginning to the middle, like that. It just brightens up the eye. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And that's it. My purplish, smoky-ish kind of eye is done. Last thing I need to do for the eyes is I'm gonna put on some eyeliner, but I am not a huge fan of eyeliner. I prefer to use eyeshadow. So I have this little nifty brush. I don't have an idea where I got it, but this little brush here is amazing and I use it to do my eyeliner. So I'm gonna dip into the Love in London. They've got a nice matte black in the bottom here, and I'm just gonna put this on my brush and I'm gonna line. Perfecto. So eyes are done. All I have left to do is mascara, setting spray. So we're gonna do that and I'll be right back. Okay guys, full look is complete. I've got my mascara on. I put on a little lip gloss. This is something that I got in my Ipsy bag and I love it and I will definitely be repurchasing this. This is the Buxom lip gloss and it's in the color, is it coming through? What is is it? Dolly. And I love it. I love it, love it, love it. It tingles a little bit, but it's not too intense. It's just got a slight color to it, but it wears so well. I'm really loving it. So that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if there's something that you'd like for me to review, please leave a comment in the description box below, and I would be happy to review anything that you guys are interested in. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be notified anytime I upload videos. Have a great day, guys. Thanks again.